Hello there, classmates. My name's Paul Cox, and I've chosen to read to you today Scooby-Doo, the Big Bad Blizzard. Scooby-Doo, Shaggy, and the gang were going skiing. "Like that mountain is tall," said Shaggy. "Too tall to ski down, right, Scoob?" "Right, Raggy." Velma smiled. "That's why we're taking lessons," she said. "So we can learn how to ski down the mountain safely," Fred added. "Hi," a man skidded to a stop. "I'm Todd, your teacher." "Then teach me how to take these things off." Shaggy jiggled his skis. "We need to get some chow." "When you finish your lesson, you can eat them." Todd pointed to the top of the mountain. A restaurant sign flashed. "Tip Top Treats. All you can eat." "Still want to take off your skis?" Daphne teased. "Roll away," Scooby barked. Todd led the gang past the ski lift. "We'll start here," he said. "It's for beginners." But, Shaggy stammered, "that doesn't go to the restaurant." While Velma, Fred, and Daphne waited in line, Shaggy and Scooby sneaked back to the ski lift. "Jump on up, good buddy," said Shaggy. "Next stop, lunch." "Stop! It's too dangerous!" shouted Todd. But Shaggy and Scooby didn't hear him. Their stomachs were growling too loudly. Snow began to fall as Shaggy and Scooby rode past the Bunny Run, and past the Bear Run, and past Big Bear Run. One by one, skiers got off the lift. Finally, Shaggy and Scooby reached the top. "Like jump," said Shaggy. The two leaped. They slipped and slid. The snow almost covered a sign that read, "Blizzard alert, a blizzard alert, all slopes closed." The other skiers turned back. Some skiers yelled at Shaggy and Scooby, "Turn back!" "Did you hear something, Scoob, old pal?" Scooby shook snow out of his ears, then he shrugged and peered around. The snow fell harder and faster. It was a blizzard. The snow fell harder and faster. It was a blizzard. "Like, where is everybody?" asked Shaggy. "And where's that all-you-can-eat place?" Something strange was going on. Shaggy wiped snow from a sign. "Monster Run," he read. "Monster!" he cried. "Run!" "There's only one way to go, good buddy," Shaggy yelled above the wind. "That's down." Shaggy and Scooby took one step, then another. "We're doing it," said Shaggy. "Who needs lessons? Right, Scoob? Scoob?" Scooby-Doo didn't answer. He was staring straight ahead. A giant snow creature floated toward them. Its long arms swung back and forth. "Roll, Ronster!" Scooby shouted. "Roll!" Scooby cried. "Roll, Ronsters!" Shaggy counted 2, 3, 4. Then their loud moans echoed in the wind. "Oob, og! Oob, og!" Shaggy and Scooby clutched each other. Their skis bumped and banged. "Like, whoa!" said Shaggy as they tumbled down, 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 straight into the biggest monsters yet. The creatures bent closer. They reached out with long, sharp arms. "Zoinks! Let's get out of here!" Shaggy cried. Shaggy and Scooby tried to run. Instead, they rolled and rolled. "Ooh, bog!" The monsters moaned, followed close behind. Splat! The Scooby-Shaggy snowball hit the bottom. Monster hands scooped away the snow. "We're goners!" Shaggy groaned. "Ooh, bog!" Shaggy looked at Scooby. Like the monster sounds a little like... The snow monster peeled off a ski mask. Scooby? Shaggy? Velma said more clearly. Velma took off her giant ski gloves and grinned. Velma wasn't a monster, but what about the others? Watch out, Shaggy shouted. 3 snow monsters are chasing us. That's Todd, Fred, and Daphne, said Velma. What about those monster arms? Shaggy asked. They're just ski poles, Velma explained. And those monster shapes? Shaggy asked. Backpacks covered in snow, Velma replied. Todd opened his backpack. What? Chocolate? Said Scooby. Hot dogs? You kept running away, Todd said, but we were trying to help. What about those really scary creatures? And that sign about monsters? Asked Shaggy. Monster Run is the name of the trail, Daphne said. And those other monsters are just trees, Fred added. Like, phew, said Shaggy, digging into the hot dogs. Now we can eat. Soon the snow had stopped. Shaggy pointed to the mountaintop. The tip-top tree sign flashed in the sunshine. Ready for another run? He asked Scooby. The end.